Come on. Come on. Okay, they're coming now. Hopefully Atticus will know he needs to come in through the gate. Okay, come on, baby. Come on, sweetheart. Come on. Okay. Come on. Come in the gate. Oh, shoot. Now Jorah's out. Oh, no. Oh, no. Now I've got two. There was a chance that was going to happen. There was a chance that was going to happen, but we need you to come back in. Okay, it looks like Atticus is going to come back in. Oh, that was wonderful. Hold on. Hold on. Whoa, whoa. Easy. Easy. Okay, come here, Jorah. Come here. Here. Okay, come here, Jorah. Come on, Mama. Come on, you can do it. Come on, Mama. Come on. Uh-oh. Jorah! Please come in. Help me out, Lincoln. Come on, Jorah. Come on, Mommy. Come on. Come on. This is all yours, Mama. Come on, sweetheart. Come on. Come on, Jorah. Jorah. Come on, Mama. Come on. Please. Please. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh, you're such a nice sweetheart. You're such a good girl. I'm going to put this right here. There you go. There you go. Good girl. Okay. Woo! That's finally over. That took a really long time. Good job, Lincoln. Wow. Okay. Now I've got to go to fix this fence. You guys are learning patience. Thanks for watching. Bye.